Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of a girl with a huge forehead, and yeah, that's me. So welcome back. Today we are going to unbox another sugar box. So if you are interested in knowing what all we have in June sugar box, then please keep on watching. As you can already see, we have already opened the box and then I was not able to fit everything back. So the box is open and we have everything right in front of me. So we're going to go one by one. So the first thing I see here are these pair of bathroom or bedroom slippers, and this is how they look like. Now they are in a gray color and the size is 9-10. Like even the people with 9 number or 10 number can wear this. So as usual, the quality is very good. It's very soft and I'm sure I'm gonna make a good use out of it, and I think I'm gonna give it to Vivek because he actually asked me to give this to him. So if this fits him, this goes to Vivek because he wants some bathroom slippers as well. So these are the first pair of slippers we have in June sugar box. Now the next thing we can see here is this prettiest hair comb I have ever come across. Now if you have seen my previous sugar box unboxing, you know that I use cute and pretty words a lot in unboxing whenever I unbox them, because they do send the cutest thing on the planet. Okay, I'm not even exaggerating. They definitely do send you the cutest things. So the next thing we have is this cutest comb, which looks something like this. It has this pom-pom and unicorn pattern over here, and from front it looks something like this. See, this is how it looks. It's the cutest comb, like literally the cutest, and it's definitely of a good quality and a perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So yeah, a great thing to have, and even guys can use this if they wish to. So this is the second thing we have in June's sugar box. Now the third thing I see here are this pair of earrings. Again, we have received cutest earrings, and we have received some cute earrings in past as well, but this one is definitely different one because it's in a heart shape and it's like heart shape hoops. So the quality as usual is very good, and this is how the hoops looks like. I'm not wearing anything right now, like I'm not wearing any earrings right now. So let me try and wear this, like see how that looks. Oh, not bad. It looks really good. I love this. So yeah, these were the third thing in the June sugar box. Also, I forgot to mention, I received this month's sugar box very early. Like I received it around 14th or 15th of month, but I was very busy with so many work, so that's why I couldn't film the unboxing, and I'm very sorry. From next month onward, I will try my best to make the video one on the moment I receive, like on the day I received the box. I will try to film the video on that day itself. So yeah, this one was the next thing in this month's sugar box. Now the fourth thing, yeah, I think the fourth one, first, second, I don't know, I've lost the count. So next thing, as a treat this time, we have Phantom sweet cigarettes. If you know this, like if you're a 90s kid, you know what this is. It's like sweet cigarette, which means it's a candy shaped and which looks like a cigarette. So yeah, this is the treat this time. We don't have marshmallows, but we have this one, and we have around 10 cigarettes to eat. So that was the next thing in this month's sugar box. Now this one is the next thing, which I'm very confused. I don't know what exactly is this. It just says, I don't know, it doesn't say anything. Like it just has the name of the company and it looks something like this from the behind. So I'm just assuming that this can be some kind of a cream, face cream or something. I'm not sure. Like we don't have any details or any information about this one, so I'm very scared to put this on my face. But if you know what this is, then please let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, that is the next thing we have in this month's sugar box. Now the second last thing we have is again the very cute thing. Oh my god, I am so happy that I subscribed to Sugarbox, because every time they don't fail to amazed me with their cuteness, like the product they sell. Like this is the second last thing. It's a sipper mug and it comes with a straw which is in plastic packaging, which I haven't opened. And this is how the cup looks like that chill mug looks like. It says you make me smile, and it has this watermelon thing and this crushed I don't know, crust pattern all over, if you can see this. And you just have to open this like this, and you can pour your drink or water or anything you want in here. So this is the second last thing, and I'm very much excited. Like I'm very happy that I'm building my sipper mug and bottle ka collection, which is a great thing, and I'm gonna use them a lot. So yeah, this is the next thing. I'm so happy to receive this one. This is the cutest thing, like literally the cutest thing. Now I think we are on to the last thing. Yeah, we are on the last thing, and yeah, this is what the last thing looks like. Let me open this for you and tell you what exactly is that. So we have a PJ set, like complete PJ set. So this is set. So this is the t-shirt, and I tried this on. This does look little huge on the camera, but it's actually a perfect size for me, or maybe I put on the weight, I don't know. But yeah, this one feels very soft and it fits very fine. Like I'm very happy with the sizing as well, because if they can mess with this they can mess up with the size, right? But I'm so happy to receive my size. So this is how the t-shirt looks like. It says Donald over here, and it also has Donald Duck ka print over here, and it's completely plain from the back. And you can even use this just as a t-shirt and not as a PJ set. If you want to wear this with your jeans or your shorts or anything, you can wear this. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. It's a decent size, like it's not too long, it's not too short. So yeah, that's there. And then we have the PJ, which looks very colorful, and it has Donald, and yeah, it has Donald all over. And this is how the PJ looks like. I tried it on, and this one also fits me very well. It's not tight or not loose, and it's just my perfect size. So I'm very happy to receive. The quality of this one is not like the best. It's not pure cotton, it's like mixed cotton, but still it's wearable. You can definitely wear this even in summers. So yeah, that's there. And I think that was all in this month's sugar box. As usual, I'm in love with this month's sugar box, and I'm extremely excited for my upcoming sugar boxes. So yeah, don't forget to check my previous Sugarbox unboxing. I will link the playlist down in the description bar below, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.